Parents frequently come to me asking, how do I know whether my IEP is appropriate or not for my child? Well, that is a really good question. In fact, it is the question in special education law. In New Jersey, the law is that the IEP must be reasonably calculated to confer meaningful educational benefit to the child based on their unique ability and potential. Well, that's a lot to handle there, but what it really means is the child progressing in a meaningful way? It has to be more than de minimis, trivial. It's got to be significant. And this is an issue that's open to interpretation, and that's where lawyers can be useful. Education of the child and progress in that education will be looked at on many factors of the child's education. That's academic, social, emotional, physical, communication, language, and many other factors. We're going to look to see whether the child is making progress in all those areas to determine whether the IEP is appropriate or not. If the IEP is not appropriate, then there are certain procedural steps to take. Lawyers are useful for consulting about whether an IEP is appropriate, as well as asking your school district to evaluate the child and put more measurable goals in so that you can evaluate how your child is doing.